In my last video, we talked about numbers. This week, we're going to talk about Tunisian currency and the words that you need to know for dealing with Tunisian money. This is especially important because a lot of the words that we use here in Tunisia are Tutsi words for money. I'm Paul, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't watched my previous video where we talked about counting from 1 to 10 in Tutsi, please be sure to go back and watch that video now before you go through this video. Tunisian money is not overly complicated. It's money just like money all across the world. However, in Tunisian currency, we count by hundreds and thousands. The smallest piece of currency in Tunisia is 5 millimes. 1 dinar is actually worth 1,000 millimes. So we say dinar or alaf. Alaf. If we say 2 dinar, it's alfin. Alfin, which means 2,000. Hamsa alaf. 5 dinar. Hamsa alaf. Hamsa dinar. Hamsa dinar. Ashad alaf. Ashad alaf. Or 10,000. Ashad alaf. Ashad dinar. Ashad dinar. 100 is mie. Mie. Let's go ahead and count together in millimes. Mie, mietin, ثلاثة مية, أربعة مية, خمسة مية, ستة مية, سبعة مية, ثمانية مية, تسعة مية, ألف, دينار, دينار مية, دينار ميتين, دينار ثلاثة مية, دينار أربعة مية, etc., as it goes on. Normally for a cup of coffee in Tunisia, you're going to pay dinar miatin. Dinar miatin. Now that you can see how important it is to know your 1 through 10, if you have not watched my 1 through 10 video, please go back and view that. Thank you so much for liking this video. Comment below, let us know when you're coming to Tunisia. Have a great day.